Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, we will discuss NTA UGC NET 2022 Sociology paper today. The results which were declared in 2023 March or April, of course. So one suggestion before starting the video I would like to give to all the aspirants and the ones who are preparing for NET or any other examination which is connected to sociology. If you have cleared NET and JRF or NET without JRF this year in sociology, many congratulations to you all. And now to the ones who have not been able to successfully clear it, don't worry. Go through the questions, study materials, and all the best for the coming examination. I'm pretty sure that you will be able to clear it this year. Okay, so let's not delay and get into the questions. Number 1 is a question talking about Bourdieu and Habitus. Bourdieu developed an idea of socialization through the concept of habitus. Habitus includes skills and the ways of looking at the world, human capacities and opportunities embodied in forms of capital. Habitus possesses and bestows specific properties. The process of making habitus does not begin in the family setting. Bourdieu opined that all classes possess the same habitus. Now you have to choose the correct answer from the options given below. Habitus is a very well-known concept by Pierre Bourdieu. And the answer is A, B, C only. Okay. So we can actually eliminate the other options. Like if you have read Bourdieu, you will know that Bourdieu never opined, never said that all classes possess the same habitus. No. They possess different habitus, alright? Which is number E. Then number D you can cancel out because the process of making habitus does not begin in the family setting is not true. Okay? Habitus is what explains that people's embodied traits, behaviors, your skills, your habits, your dispositions. Okay? There's a certain way of the way we act. Alright, all of this is a part of our habitus. So the ways of looking at the world, embodied forms of capital. Okay? Also remember the forms of capital, cultural, social and others which Bourdieu had given. Alright. So A, B, C will be our answer. Number 2. You have to arrange these social legislations in the chronological order on the basis of the year of enactments. Equal Remuneration Act, Abolition of Sati Act, Sati Prevention Act, Hindu Marriage Act, Maternity Benefit Act. Don't confuse Sati Prevention and Abolition of Sati Act, okay? Abolition of Sati Act happened way before Sati Prevention Act. So let's match it now. The answer is B, D, E, A, C. Okay. So first comes Abolition of Sati Act. I hope you can remember 1829. Okay, William Bentinck. Remember? We had studied this in history. Alright. Next is the Hindu Marriage Act. You can note down the years. 1955, Maternity Benefit Act 1961, Equal Remuneration Act 1976, Sati Prevention Act 1987, which happened after the famous Roop Conver case. Number 3 says, who has written the book Who Governs? This is an easy question. If you know about the theories of power, the answer is number 3, Robert Dahl. He is also associated with the term polyarchy, the pluralist theory of power. Okay? Alright. Number 4 says, according to Talcott Parsons, two main functions of family are primary socialization, personality stabilization, religious harmonization, property mobilization, conflict neutralization. The answer is A and B only, which is definitely primary socialization and then personality stabilization. Because property mobilization, religious harmonization, all of these have never been part of family and Talcott Parsons theories. All right, not even conflict neutralization. Number 5. Who explained the possible reasons for the emergence of primate cities in 1939? A little uncommon question that NET gave. Wirth or Wirth, however you call it, Ralph Linton, Mark Jefferson, Ashish Bose. The answer is Mark Jefferson. Okay. Option number 1 is connected to the Rural and Urban Transformations Unit, where we are studying urbanism, ghetto. Okay. And Linton is of course connected with culture, etc. Question 6. Following scholars have written extensively on the relationship between castes and politics in India. And the answer to this is all of the above, okay? A, B, C, D, E. Question number 7. Who gave the concept of Sikh role? Very, very easy question and very, very famous one, and repeated. C. Wright Mills, R. K. Merton, Talcott Parsons, Smelser. The answer is Talcott Parsons, of course. And there are various other concepts by the other sociologists mentioned here. Smelser, we know about him and his concepts in economy, society. Robert K. Merton, we know about the agile model of Merton. C. Wright Mills, we know about sociological imagination of males. Of course, there are other concepts of these sociologists too, but I just mentioned one or two of them. All right. So, moving on. Another easy question and known one. Who has written the book Women's Role in Economic Development? Esther Bozoruk, Judith Butler, Martha Nussbaum, Anne Oakley. The answer is Esther Bozoruk. Okay. 9 says, arrange the following works chronologically. The postmodern condition, economy and society, division of labor in society, German ideology, culture industry, enlightenment as mass deception. The answer is D, C, B, E, A. Okay. Now you have to remember the names of the books. Even if you don't look, you have to know the years of the books too. But in this question, since the years are not given, you can easily connect it by looking at the names of the books and the sociologists associated with the books. Like Division of Labor in Society is by Durkheim, one of his famous works. German Ideology, definitely by Karl Marx. Then we have Economy and Society by Max Weber, Postmodern Condition by Lyotard, and of course Culture Industry by Adorno and Horkheimer. Okay. You can note it down. Next question. Center for Contemporary Cultural Studies, CCCS or CCCS, one of the most influential centers to study culture, is attached with which university? Oxford, Birmingham, Delhi. None of the above. A little uncommon question again for this year. The answer is University of Birmingham. Okay. Next, who wrote the book Transformation of Intimacy? Bourdieu, Ulrich Beck, Baudrillard, Giddens. The answer is Anthony Giddens. Next, the first wave of feminism was synonymous with is quite easy. Me Too movement, 1960s civil rights movement, queer movement, women's suffrage movement. The answer is option number 4, which is associated with the right to vote for women. All right. So we end here for today, and the rest of the questions we'll discuss in the next part. So keep learning, and thank you for watching today's video.